Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Today we will discuss about Philippine stock market. We will continue the topic last Saturday about investment, long-term investment, and how to take profit in the Philippine stock market through long-term investment. So, if it is long-term investment, it means more than 5 years is better. So if it is 10 years, it is also better. So the question now, what companies we are going to invest? What good companies that we are going to invest? So now, as per the most successful investors in the world, Mr. Warren Buffett, the companies good for investment is the index stock. So what do you mean by index stock? So what is the index stock all about? So if we talk about index stock, this is PSEI, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. What is PSE index? It is called as the Philippine Stock Exchange Composite Index. It was previously known as PSEC and now commonly called as the PSEI, or Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So what you need to know about the PSE index? What is a PSE index? It is the benchmark measuring the performance of the Philippine stock market. So this is the benchmark, the performance of the Philippine stock market. The PSE is made up of 30 listed companies to represent the general movement of the stock market. So there are 30 companies. We call these companies as blue chip companies. So these companies are ranked based on their full capitalization. And beside that, there are also 6 indices that make up the Philippine stock market exchange called as sector indices. So there are 6 indices that make up the Philippine stock exchange called as I said, sector indices. So what are these companies listed in the PCI or the index stock? So the most traded companies in the Philippine stock market. So there are 30. So the first one here is Ayala Corporation. So this is the current price of Ayala. Next one is Aboitiz Equity Venture, now 47.5 per share. Ayalans Global, now 10.4 pesos per share. Ayala Land, 41.55 pesos per share. Aboitiz Corporation, 27. BDO Unibank, 109 pesos per share. So this is the stock code and this is the company name, and this is the last price as of yesterday, January 8, 2021. So the next one, the 7th company is Bloomberry. Now it is 7.96. BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands, it is 7. DMCI Holdings Corporation, 5.66. Emperador, 10.10 pesos per share. FGen Corporation, 31.05. Globe Telecom now is 2,020 pesos per share. So if you buy 1 share of Globe Telecom, it is cost 2,020 pesos per share. So the next one is GT Capital Holdings, 579 pesos per share. International Container Terminal Services, now 125. Jollibee Pod Corporation, 192.5. GG Summit Holdings, 73.85. LT Group, 13.52. Metrobank and Trust Company, 49.5 pesos per share. And the next one is MegaWorld. MegaWorld now is 4.29. Manila Electric Company, 299. Metro Pacific Investment Corporation, 4.49. Pure Gold Price Club, 39.95. Robinsons Land Corporation, 22.30. Robinsons Retail Holding Incorporation, 63.2. And next one is Security Bank. Security Bank Corporation now 134. SM Investment Corporation 1,050 pesos per share. San Miguel Corporation 129.4. SM Prime Holdings 40.4. PLDT 1,424 pesos per share. And the last one is Universal Robina Corporation, 159 pesos per share. So these are the companies listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So we call these companies as blue chip companies, and they are the companies most traded companies in the Philippines. So this is the index stock, Philippine index stock. So now here, if we go the market indices, we will see the market indices. This is the PCI now. Now it is 7,289.88. So there is a change of 2.39 yesterday. And this is the 6 indices now. 6 sector: financial, industrial, holding, property, services, mining, and oil. So yesterday there are 141 companies going up, and there are 74 companies going down, and there are 48 companies no changes of the price. So this is the company in the Philippine stock market. So this is the total. If you total this is the total companies in the Philippine stock market. So now this is the PCI level. So this one, we call this one as technical chart. So this is the one we need to study if you want to invest in the stock market, the price movement of the company, so that we can buy in the correct entry. So next time our topic is about why there are green, red, and orange candle in the chart. So we need to study this one, why there is a green, red, and orange candle in the chart. So that's all for today. Thank you, and God bless us all always.